In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive automatically syncing 5 minutes. If OneDrive keeps syncing when you don't want it to, there are a few simple ways to pause it, stop it, or turn off specific backups without losing your files. Let's start with the quickest approach, then look at more permanent options so you can choose what fits your workflow. First, look for the OneDrive Cloud icon in the Windows system tray near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud to open OneDrive, then click the settings gear. From here, choose pause syncing. You'll be asked how long to pause. This is perfect if you're stepping into a meeting, conserving bandwidth, or just don't want changes uploading for a short time. OneDrive will automatically resume after the time you picked. If you want everything to stop immediately until you say otherwise, click the settings gear again and select Quit OneDrive, confirm, and the app closes. No files will upload or download in the background. You can always start it again later from your apps list when you're ready to sync. For more control, open Settings and go to Sync and Backup. Click Manage Backup. Here, you can turn off automatic backup of key folders such as desktop, documents, and pictures. Toggle off the folders you don't want OneDrive to manage, then click Save Changes. This doesn't delete your files. It simply stops OneDrive from automatically syncing new changes in those folders going forward. Your existing files remain where they are, and you can still move or copy anything manually if needed. Another route is to open the Account tab within Settings. Click Unlink this PC. This signs your computer out of OneDrive, stopping all syncing for this device while leaving your files safely in the OneDrive cloud. Your local OneDrive folder will stop updating. If you change your mind later, you can sign back in and pick what to sync. Quick reminders as you decide. Pause syncing is temporary and great for short breaks. Quit OneDrive completely stops the app until you reopen it. Managing backup lets you selectively disable folders you don't want syncing. Unlinking your PC is the most comprehensive option for halting syncing on this device without touching your online files. That's it. Choose the method that matches how permanently you want syncing to stop, and you're in control of your files again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.